Welcome back, my 50 subscribers. So today is October. We want to do a quick camping trip before the snow starts coming, before the end of the year. And decided to take the minivan, the Delica, for a small trip. It's the first trip in a year that I took the Delica because I had to fix the diesel leak on the pump. So now it's fixed. Now I can go on a trip with it. So let me show you something new that I did on the back. It's just pretty cool. I bought used from a guy that I know who runs a Delica page. And here is the tire carrier. So now I don't have to lug the tire inside the car with me at all times. Now I can sit outside. So yeah, well, let's get to it then. This camp spot is actually ours. I believe it was the second camp spot that we did overlanding with the Pathfinder long time ago. I think it was back in 2016 or 17. So it's good to be back here. I think we've been here 3 times already. This being the 3rd time. You got a nice overview of the mountains back there and whatnot. We got our little camp spot set up right here. Back when we first camped here, I remember we got our camp spot set up right there and tent. But not anymore, because let me show you where our new camp spot is at. Right in here is our new camp spot. It's perfect because you wake up, you get out, and then you see the nice sceneries right behind or right in front of you. So we got our wonderful bed set up. So now we can go and cook. But I do have something cool to show you guys. So we close this, and this is a magnet. So go over here. I mean, you probably won't reach it that far, but won't know until it gets nighttime. But you can adjust where to point the light at. In this case, it will be pointed to a fire pit, so it'll be pretty cool. But I do also have, just in case, this light. So when we hang out in the front, right there. Cool.
God damn it. Howdy out there, folks. So as you might know, my name's normally like Chef Redneck or something, but we came up with the greatest name. As you can see, I am Chef Leoigi, because I look like Luigi, but my name's Leo. So anyways, what we're coming up with is a great feast. So we ate a little bit earlier. We had some delicious jalapeno poppers with beef brisket and all this wonderful stuff. And we also had a little chicken, but we're not that hungry, so we're gonna share this delicious porterhouse T-bone. It's 1.25 inch thick. I'm coating it with a delicious light spread of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna put some Montreal from McCormick, as well as some lemon pepper, because lemon peppers just taste so good. We're gonna throw it on the fire. Normally, if you wash your hands, be sure to always wash your hands before you touch food, because you never know where your hand's been or where someone else's hand's been. Then a little bit of lemon pepper. Come on. So now we got our grill ready, so we're just going to plop the steak on over from the one side. Make sure you always rub your seasoning into your steak. And then we're going to put it right down there in the middle. And we're going to pop it over onto the fire. So we're going to plop it down here. You don't want to put it directly over the fire because it's just going to burn your steak while it's still going to be raw. Just put it here on the side. Just a little bit of ashes fly around. Cooking with firewood and coal. Nice good coal fire. Alright, so we're going to turn it from back and forth a few times as it cooks.
left Kansas City not long ago. We are on a dirt road called Shelf Road, and right across this mountain over here is Fountain Canyon. This Fountain Canyon is much more wider than Shelf Road. You get more of the cliffside, as you can see. They're both equally cool. So Leo over there, he's going to go ahead and take the drone out. It's a cool shot. So yeah. Finally out of Shelf Road at this town Cripple Creek. So this ends our journey today. We will be doing a camping trip around Christmas time. So look forward to that. But until then, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, share if you guys want. See you guys next time.